Imagine a world where robots don't just assist us, they're sprinting alongside us, thinking on their own, and taking over jobs that were once reserved for humans. Sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, right? Well, it's here. Unitree's sprinting humanoids and FieldAI's universal brains are leading the robotic revolution, and the future of work is already knocking on our door. In this video, we'll explore how these advanced robots are reshaping industries, from manufacturing to healthcare, and what this means for the workforce of tomorrow. Buckle up, because the future is running towards us at full speed. We're in the midst of what some are calling the Robotic Gold Rush, where advancements in robotics are accelerating at a pace we've never seen before. With companies like Unitree and FieldAI pushing boundaries, robots are no longer just mechanical helpers. They are becoming autonomous, agile, and capable of handling tasks that were once unimaginable. The integration of AI and robotics has opened new doors, making robots faster, smarter, and more adaptable than ever. From humanoid robots that can sprint to AI brains that can think and reason, this revolution is not just about efficiency, it's about reshaping entire industries and how we work. The robotic landscape is changing, and it's happening now. Unitree has been a game-changer in humanoid robotics, with their sprinting humanoids capturing attention across the globe. These robots are more than just an engineering marvel. They're capable of running, jumping, and performing physical tasks with incredible agility. Unitree's robots aren't confined to the factory floor. They are designed to navigate the real world. Whether it's running through rough terrain or navigating obstacles, these robots can move just like humans. They are ideal for missions in environments where human workers cannot reach, such as search and rescue operations or disaster relief. Imagine robots that can move across hazardous landscapes, bringing supplies or rescuing people, all while learning and adapting to new conditions. The future of mobility in robotics is here, and it's moving at full speed. The introduction of agile humanoid robots like Unitree's sprinting bots is transforming industries in ways we never thought possible. In logistics, for example, these robots can carry and move packages faster than human workers, optimizing supply chains and reducing delivery times. In manufacturing, they can take on physically demanding tasks, working in hazardous conditions where humans are at risk. These humanoids aren't just about replacing workers, they're about improving safety, efficiency, and productivity. From the military to sports, the ability of robots to mimic human movement and agility is opening doors to new applications, and the possibilities are endless. But as robots get smarter and faster, what happens to the traditional workforce? While Unitree is pushing the boundaries of mobility, FieldAI is transforming how robots think. FieldAI's universal brains are the driving force behind the intelligence of these robots. These AI-powered systems enable robots to understand context, process information, and make decisions in real time. What makes FieldAI's technology so unique is its versatility. The universal brain can be adapted to any robotic system, enabling them to perform tasks across a wide range of industries, from healthcare to construction. With the ability to analyze data, recognize patterns, and even make predictions, these robots can function in dynamic, real-world environments where human-like intelligence is essential. It's not just about having robots that can move, it's about having robots that can think. As robots like Unitree's humanoids and FieldAI's brain-powered machines begin to take on more tasks, the nature of work is going to change drastically. We're entering a world where robots don't just assist us, they collaborate with us. In the workplace of the future, robots will handle repetitive, high-risk tasks, while humans focus on the creative, strategic, and decision-making aspects. In fields like construction, manufacturing, and agriculture, robots will help with the heavy lifting, while human workers handle the complex problem-solving. This partnership between human intelligence and robot efficiency will allow industries to become more productive, safer, and innovative. But how will this affect the future of employment? Healthcare is one of the most exciting areas where robotics is making a huge impact. Imagine humanoid robots like Unitree's bots assisting in surgeries or diagnostics, performing tasks that require precision and dexterity beyond human capabilities. With FieldAI's universal brains, these robots could process vast amounts of medical data in real time, helping doctors make quicker and more accurate decisions. robots could also assist with patient care, transporting supplies, and even helping with rehabilitation. The potential to revolutionize healthcare is immense. With robots taking on routine and physically demanding tasks, healthcare professionals can focus on providing better, more personalized care to patients. But as robots become an integral part of healthcare, what will happen to the roles of medical professionals? One of the most obvious uses for humanoid robots is in logistics and supply chains, where speed and efficiency are paramount. Unitree's robots are capable of navigating warehouses, loading and unloading goods, and optimizing storage with a level of efficiency that far exceeds human workers. With FieldAI's intelligent systems powering them, these robots can assess stock levels, predict demand, and manage inventory in real time. This level of automation in logistics will reduce human error, speed up delivery times, and cut operational costs. Robots working alongside humans in supply chains will ensure that goods get to where they need to be faster and more reliably. As robots take over the repetitive tasks, humans will be freed up to focus on strategic decisions and improvements. With the rise of autonomous robots, there are many ethical considerations that need to be addressed. As robots begin to take over more tasks in the workplace, we need to consider the impact on human workers. Will robots replace jobs, or will they create new opportunities? And as robots become more capable, how do we ensure that they are being used ethically and responsibly? These questions are critical as we move forward in integrating robots into our daily lives. There's also the question of accountability. If a robot makes a mistake or causes harm, who is responsible? Ensuring that robots are used for good and that they don't perpetuate bias or inequality is essential. As we welcome robots into our workforce, it's crucial to set up guidelines and regulations to make sure they benefit society. The future of robotics isn't just about machines that do work for us. It's about creating a world where humans and robots coexist and collaborate to create more efficient, innovative, and safer workplaces. The advancements from companies like Unitree and FieldAI are just the beginning. As robots become more integrated into various sectors, the lines between human and machine will continue to blur. Robots will not just be workers, they'll be partners in progress. And as we move towards a future with more intelligent and capable robots, we must ensure that we shape this future with intention, responsibility, and foresight. The future of work is about collaboration, not competition between humans and robots. So, what do you think? Are we ready for a future where robots are not just assistants, but colleagues? How will humanoids like Unitree's sprinting robots and FieldAI's intelligent systems impact your industry? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and if you're as excited about the future of robotics as I am, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates on the tech shaping tomorrow. This is Lucas, and you've been watching AI Insights. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, robots are the future, and the future is now.